The arrow is a 2D object, and when you drag it into the scene tree, you can see that it creates basically an arrow. So in our options in the arrow properties, we have a use LOD. There is a 0.1x, and when you adjust the 0.1x, you can adjust the X position of that left arrow. There's a 0.1Y, which adjusts the Y position of the left arrow. 0.1Z, moving it forward and backwards. And then there you have the other end of the arrow, the 0.2x, the 0.2y, and the 0.2z, which you can adjust. There's also a width of the arrow. We have a style 1, which is flat, and a style 2, which is flat. So if you want an arrow and or flatness on either end, you can choose that individually. Once you have the arrow on, there's also an arrow width that you can adjust. There's an arrow length as well that you can adjust, and a percent that you can adjust in between them. There's also a mode, XY, XZ, and YZ. These are just switching the modes or flipping the arrow here to face a different way. It's on XY by default. So not too much else to say about the arrow. Again, at any time you want to texture it, give it a color and or make it a 3D object, you can do that by adding the extrude on it as well.